Question 19 on verb forms. Verb forms. Let's read and see how the verbs are used in our paragraph. When writing, other black girl novelist Zakiya Dalila Harris drew, we have a past tense, on her own experiences working in a public office. So it's just talking about how the novel was written. The award-winning book is present tense. Harris's first novel. Notice how when you're describing any kind of art, writings, or any kind of forms that were creations that were done in the past, we always use present tense to describe them. But her writing blank, honor before, we're still continuing on with a sentence that is with present tense. The honoring was done before, which means that something was done in the past, but is still valid till today. In cases like this, present, we use what's called the present perfect tense because it is still valid today. Present perfect means from past till present, and that will be our has been. Okay, so let's plug this back in and see how we can read this. The award-winning book is Harris's first novel, but her writing has been honored before. At the age of 12, she entered, we're going back to past tense, just like how we did drew here, because we're talking about the action that was done in the past. She entered a contest to have a story published in American Girl magazine and won. So past tense and present tense are used here. And depending on the situation, whether you're describing a book in present tense, or you're talking about the honoring that was done about the book, her writing, we use present perfect tense here. Know how these present and past tenses are used in situations. I've seen some tutoring sessions that have mentioned that when you have these verb forms, you go straight to these four verbs and you look at past tense plural, plural past tense, and plural present tense and plural present tense here, thinking that this is the only singular verb. This is obviously a way to solve this question, but when you tackle a harder question toward second modules or other grammar questions, verbal questions in the back, it's imperative that you know why and what tense are used in what scenarios, what situations. So learn little more than what test tips are just telling you to do on these SATs.